Supreme Court judgments do not decide a particular dispute, but they shape the law. So hi guys, I am Shivika Mehra and आज की वीडियो में हम ऐसे ही कुछ मेन लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे with respect to the constitutional law. I will be explaining these judgments to you in a very simple manner जिससे ये judgments आपको हमेशा के लिए याद रह जाएं. Also, these judgments are very important from the exam perspective. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first case that we are going to discuss today is a very important landmark judgment of the constitutional law, which is Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. This is a case of 1973. So basically, in this historic case of Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, Supreme Court के सामने एक major question था, which was कि can the Parliament amend the basic structure of the Constitution? Of course, we know time and again we have to make some amendments in our law, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है for our society. But लॉ के सामने, हमारे कोर्ट्स के सामने, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया के सामने ये क्वेश्चन था कि क्या जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो बेसिक क्रक्स ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो बेसिकली हमारी फाउंडेशन है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की, क्या उसको अमेंड कर सकता है पार्लियामेंट या नहीं. एंड दिस केस मेड इट वेरी क्लियर दैट द पार्लियामेंट कैन नॉट अमेंड द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. So, the court passed the judgment that of course the parliament can amend the constitution, but it cannot change, it cannot amend the basic structure of the Indian constitution. This case introduced the basic structure doctrine, protecting the principles of democracy, rule of law, justice. इस केस से हमें पता चलता है that हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जितने भी चेंजेस आ जाए, बट जो हमारा मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, जो हमारा क्रक्स है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की फाउंडेशन है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है, वो कभी भी पार्लियामेंट चेंज नहीं कर सकता. एंड दिस is the first landmark judgment, which is a very important case under the constitutional law, which is Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973. The next judgment is again a very important judgment, and this judgment is very important with regards to the fundamental rights. And this judgment is Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, and this is a 1978 case. So basically, this judgment talks about expanding the right to life, which is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. In this case, Maneka Gandhi's passport was confiscated by the government and no proper reasons were given to her. इन्होंने ये चीज़ challenge करी in the courts, and the court said that yes, right to life has been violated. The Supreme Court held that a fair, just procedure should be followed, and thus it expanded the scope of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which talks about right to life and personal liberty. So basically, ये एक ऐसा landmark judgment है जिसने हमारे fundamental rights का scope widen किया था, and this is the second landmark judgment. The next landmark judgment is Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India, which is a 2017 judgment. In this case, the court basically examined that is the right to privacy included under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution or not. Basically, क्या right to privacy हमारा fundamental right है या फिर नहीं. And the Supreme Court unanimously voted that yes, a right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. This case actually turned out to be one of the most important modern constitutional law judgment. So it is very important to understand that without these judgments, India's constitution would have looked very different from what it is today. ये judgments ने actually help करी है to build our constitution in the best way possible. And जो आज हम constitution देख रहे हैं, जो आज हम read कर रहे हैं, जो हम basically follow कर रहे हैं, that is a result of all these judgments. I really hope that you understood these judgments, these landmark judgments of the constitutional law, because I tried explaining these in a very simple manner. Also, before I conclude the video, I just want to say that I come up with legal videos in which I explain law topics in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. So in case you have any doubt in any legal topic, you can let me know in the comments down below, and I will film a separate video explaining that law topic to you in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. Also, if you haven't watched my other legal videos, you can watch them. You will find the link of all the other videos in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. उन videos से आपको एक fair idea होगा कि मैं कौन से type की legal videos post करती हूँ. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe, watch my other legal videos and stay tuned for more legal videos coming your way. And please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.